Comfy UI makes it flow. Infinite talk makes the voices glow. One able to type. Key jive sparks the night. One video builds up.
Hi, I am Sue Storm.
Hi, I am Mr. Fantastic.
Respect your audience. Believe in them. If they come to you, they will help you.
Hello friends, welcome back to Rare Tutor. Today we are testing Megan AI's new lip sync model called InfiniteTalk. Actually, it is an updated version of MultiTalk with a lot of improvements including unlimited generation as mentioned on the GitHub page. InfiniteTalk, a audio-driven video generation for sparse frame video dubbing. InfiniteTalk is an unlimited length talking video generation model that supports both audio-driven video-to-video and image-to-video generation. The main features are sparse frame video dubbing, synchronizes not only the lips but also head, body and expressions with finite length generation, video generation support. Let's start the tutorial. I found out that FP8E5M2 works best in NVIDIA 3000 and pre-series and FP8E4M3FN works best in 4000 and 5000 series. Now I'm using NVIDIA RTX 3060 12GB GPU. So I selected WAN 2.1 14B720p FP8E5M2 scale version. You can find all the links for the model in the description. So you can select the right version as per your GPU for proper torch compile. The block swap node is very essential if you have low VRAM. It can swap the data between GPU and CPU to avoid all load on single device. Maximum block is 40, I use between 30 to 40. The quantization should match the model you are using, otherwise you will get error. Here I am using Sage Attention. This is the image loader. Width of the image is 960 and the height of the image is 528. The total frame generating is 251, that is 25 frame per second into 10 is equal to 250, plus 1 second extra we are adding as per the rule. And this one you can keep as it is. In audio loader, here I already loaded the audio. This is a song. So I am using from 10 to 20 seconds, that is the 10 second. This will preview the FPS as per the audio, and this is 25 frame per second. Recommended FPS is 25 for best result. You can reduce if you have low VRAM, but the lip sync quality may reduce. If you are using CFG1 in main sampler, here also keep the audio scale 1. Keep audio CFG scale between 3 to 5 for best results. This is the prompt I am using. I am using 5 steps. CFG is 1. Shift is 7. And the scheduler is Euler. Des noise is 1. Add noise to samples is false. This is the main setup for InfiniteTalk. For long generation, limited number of frames are generated in small windows. Then it will combine into one. For example, a window of 75 frames will generate a 3 seconds video at 25 fps. And 5 windows can produce 15-second video without putting pressure on GPU. Must use the color match option or else the color will change from window to window. You can experiment with it. Enable the tiled VAE if you got any OOM error at the time of encoding. If you select auto, the node automatically detects the model, or you can choose exact model you are using. Okay, let's hit the run button.
One able to tight, key jive sparks the night. One filial builds up. One able to tight, key jive sparks the night. One filial builds up.
Now, let's check how InfiniteTalk multi-speaker works in Image 2 video mode. Let's keep all the setting as it is. Only few changes required for multi-speaker mode from the previous tutorial. Here, select InfiniteTalk multi-speaker model. Load the multi-speaker image here. I am using 20 fps here, so 20 into 5 is equal to 100. You need to prepare audio files for multi-speakers with equal length in any video or audio editor before the lip sync.
Hi, I am Mr. Fantastic.
Hi, I am Sue Storm.
Load audio 1 and audio 2 and select the parallel mode. Here, select the FPS 20 and also change the FPS to 20 in video combine node, otherwise your lip sync may not sync properly.
Hi, I am Sue Storm.
Hi, I am Mr. Fantastic.
Okay, let's hit the run button.
I am Mr. Fantastic.
Hi, I am Sue Storm.
Hi, I am Mr. Fantastic.
Hi, I am Sue Storm.
Hi, I am Mr. Fantastic.
Now, let's check how InfiniteTalk single speaker works in video 2 video mode. Let's keep all the setting as it is, only few changes required for single speaker video 2 video mode from the previous tutorial. Here select InfiniteTalk single speaker model. This is the video loader. You need not to select the video length, it will automatically adjusted. Width of the video is 960 and the height of the video is 528. And the total frame generating is 151, that is 25 frame per second, into 6 is 150 plus 1 second extra. We are selecting the total frames only based on the lip sync audio, not video. If your video is less than the audio, the workflow automatically creates longer video, so you don't need to worry about the video length uploaded.
Respect your audience. Believe in them. If they come to you, they will help you.
This is the prompt I used. In Sampler, you need to do some changes when compared to previous image to video generation. The total steps I am using is 5, and you can increase this to increase the quality of the lip sync as well as the quality of the video. CFG is 1 and the shift is 11. I am changing the scheduler to DPM++ SDE as the other samplers not provided good result in my testing results. You can do experiment with it, and if find better sampler, do please comment your results in the comment section. Okay, let's hit the run button.
Respect audience. Believe in them. If they come to you, they will help you. Respect your audience. Believe in them. If they come to you, they will help you.
I hope you liked this tutorial. You can download the workflow and the models from links provided in the video description. If you like my effort, please consider subscribing my channel and hit the like button. If you need an advanced tutorial on writing WAN 2.2 prompts, please do mention in the comments below. Meet you in the next tutorial.